Good morning, friends. I have an off day today, and so I decided to kind of vlog. I'm actually looking at the screen, so please excuse that. I left my vlogging camera at work because I edit there, and so I forgot. So I just finished breakfast. It's technically brunch now. We're gonna go to the comic book store, I believe, and I also have some orders I need to drop off. I closed the orders, like it's at 0 right now, so I'm pretty good. So whenever I do that, it gives me some sort of peace of mind that I could work on other stuff, because I hate working on new collections when I know I still have orders to do. But that's zeroed out, and last week I already worked on this collection. I just want to finish it. I do a lot of the admin stuff at one of my day jobs, because the second one I'm always like cooking, so I could barely like sit down and be on my computer. But my first job, it's more relaxed there, so I get to design, I get to do admin things. Also want to go to Michael's because I want to buy a washi storage, a second one, because my only one is currently full. That's my planner, but this one's a little too full now, and this container right here on top of it is full of washi that needs some home, and I have some washi like scattered everywhere because I need another container. Also, if you are watching this and if you use a Hobonichi cousin, do you still want me to release those budgeting kits? Because I want to start back up in budgeting, and I don't have my stickers anymore, like I discontinued them, but I want to make them again. Well, they're ready, I just need to like change the graphics and stuff. But if you are a budgeter in your Hobonichi cousin, would you want to see something like that? So this is like the little washi storage I have. These are shop stuff though, so I just keep them here for easy access. Like I have a little bit of everything on here, so if someone buys from the shop, I can easily grab it. But this one right here is also my personal collection, and then there's a bunch more back there. And I need to grab one of these from Michael's because they're just perfect for washi, and they are washi storage though, so they're also on sale today for like half off, so I gotta get it while they're cheap, right? So don't mind the desk that they used to play on here, and like she literally damaged the laminate. But I discovered that this new washi drawer that we just got has a lot of cracks, and I didn't even notice. And I'm scared that either I didn't really notice them because we did check it, and I wonder if it was the drive home or like me just putting it on the table and then it damaged it. But I guess it's fine. So now we have 2 of them there, and you could barely see the crack, but I'm careful with my stuff anyway, so I'm not that upset. The next day, and I have the new monthlies that I'm working on. I actually did all 6 months last week. I had 6 more to go, but then I decided I don't want to keep this font, and I'm gonna revert it back to my original font, which is like this one, and that's pretty much the same font as my brand, and I really like how these look anyways, so I'm gonna have to redo all of these again. I know, wish me luck. Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock now. I'm about to head to bed. I usually have an easier nights at work on Friday nights because the dialysis doesn't happen on Saturdays, not on Fridays. So I basically just hang out here until I have to leave tomorrow, and then tomorrow from here I have to go straight to the city, which is about a half-hour drive. It's about 17 miles. And it takes the same amount of time for me to go here and go home, which is about 25 miles, than here to the city. It's just ridiculously bad traffic. But anyways, I finished setting up the newsletter that's going out on Monday. I also managed to schedule both listings. They're ready to go. They're gonna go live at 7 a.m. Central. So I have Autumn going, and I also have Red going, so I'm so excited for you guys to see that, because I've been holding out on Red for a few months now because I was afraid that she was gonna release 1989. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I released Swiftie or Taylor Swift themed kits in the shop, and I haven't released one since Wildest Dreams. Yeah, I don't think so. So anyways, yeah, I've been holding out because I was afraid she was gonna release 1989, and I had art ready for that too. It's not custom or anything, but I just had some prepared. So anyways, yeah. Good morning. It's been a week since my last vlog, and so it's been a while since a little update is needed. So this weekend we are headed up to Wisconsin for a birthday party, and I have been working non-stop for the last 2 weeks. I've been talking about this for a while now, but 96 hours straight this week. Usually I have I get to come home, but this time around I'm working straight. I'm hanging in there. I'm really hanging in there, and I do want to document these things so that in the future when I decide to watch these vlogs, when I watch them back, because I really watch them, they are for me anyways. I do these vlogs so that I could kind of go back in time to see what kind of headspace I was in that particular moment in time, and I don't share enough of the lows, usually just the highs, and this week is very, very difficult. So my week technically started this past Saturday. I went from one job straight to the other, and I only had Sunday off. And then yesterday I work from 9 to 3, and then today I'm gonna work from 9 on Tuesday until 4 on Friday straight. I am finishing the final sheets that I need to cut. Being half ready to ship makes a whole lot of difference, so I don't know how ready to ship people does it, but I salute you. I get it now, but I can only be half ready to ship because I do come out with collections all the time, and it's very hard to keep them in stock. So most of the recent ones are heavily stocked. The older designs, maybe 1 or 2 or something like that. Do you see that mess in the back? That was from last night. We had Chipotle's, and I haven't cleaned yet. I will clean before I leave, but yesterday we went to box lunch. I bought a bunch of things. I'll show you guys what I got. Here's the little box lunch haul. We only got 4 things, but I want to go back. There's too much cute stuff there. But I first found out that the store was at Orland, but then we have them at Chicago Ridge. So this is a My Hero hat. This is what Louis got. This is what I got. I'm so excited for it. It's a Timmy and Tommy Animal Crossing sweater. I got a large because I wanted oversized, and then the sleeves has the fruit. Look at that, so cute. And then we got this for me because they were having a buy one get the other one, I think 30% off. So I got Rose Apothecary to match my Schitt's Creek. I do have one thing there that I can't show you because I know Charmaine watches these vlogs, so I got that for her. But this is my box lunch haul. Okay, I'm gonna seriously cut now. I'll be right back. Hey friends, so it's been about maybe a good week, no, a few days since I last filmed anything. It is my last day here for this week, and then I go to my other job tomorrow, and then in the afternoon we have to get packing for Wisconsin on Saturday, and we are going to see Liam this weekend. I'm so excited to see everybody. But Monday is our cottagecore release. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys a little bit of sneak. We released something on Instagram already to announce the collab that's coming. It's not a major release, it's just something that we wanted to do in between our bigger releases. So let me flip the camera over so I can show you guys what's happening. Alright, so this is what the Hobonichi Cousin kit looks like. It's very, very muted. It's even more muted than what the camera is picking up right now. But let me switch over to the standard vertical so you guys could see the scene a lot better. But yeah, we wanted to do something in between cottagecore, and both our islands are semi kind of that theme, and also Ghibli. So this is like what I came up with. I do have a mini restock on the keychains that you guys have been asking for. I've just been waiting for them to arrive so I can do additional keychains on Monday when this collection goes up, so you could order the collection, like Animal Crossing themed stuff. But yeah, I am gonna properly end the vlog here because I suck at that. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog.